XP Pen is one of the most popular brands that manufacture various kinds of drawing tablets, in various sizes and price ranges. With that said, the XP Pen Artist 12 holds the first position in this list since it is highly versatile and has a really handy size as well. This drawing tablet provides you an overall active working area of 11.6 inches, and also comes with an integrated display as well. Moreover, it's compatible with all versions of Windows as well as Mac 10.10 or later. So, you can simply plug it into your workstation and use it to work on any software like Photoshop, Illustrator, Painter, etc. The integrated display of the tablet has a full HD, 1920x1080, resolution and features a 72% NTSC 100% SRGB color gamut. Thus, it is highly color accurate and will help you to draw with brilliant color precision. Moreover, the tablet also features 6 customizable buttons and a slim slide bar as well. Speaking about its Stylus pen, it gives you a realistic pen-like feeling while drawing and has up to 8,192 pressure levels. Moreover, it even comes with a digital eraser at the other end of the pen. In addition, the pen also comes with 8 replacement nibs as well. Best features of this item: 6 inches display, Full HD, 1920x1080, resolution, 8,192 pressure levels, 72% NTSC 100% SRGB color gamut. Pros of this item: compatible with all the latest Windows and Mac OS versions. Comes with a customizable button on the pen also. The Stylus is battery-free. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.